Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you some plants which have some keikis. So I will mount them on a new technique, that is wall mounting. Before that I want to show you some plants which I have mounted on a tree trunk or potted some plants. So let's start. Now I am in my village home, and this is one of my Dendrobium moscatum, and there are so many keikis to cut off and then mount all these keikis. So this is a big plant of moscatum. You can see many keikis over there, here, and healthy roots also. You can see it's a old keiki with a new vegetative growth, and there are another some keikis. You can see here, this one also a keiki. So some of my viewers ask me that when should I cut a keiki. So there are many thumb rules, but generally I follow some rules. Here you can see one old and one new keiki attached with the same place, same node, and you can see the roots are 3 to 4 inch in length. So I can cut off, just take a sanitized scissor and cut off from here. Now I can mount it like this. There is an old keiki, you can see, and from the end starting a new, this one is new growth. I am cutting one by one keikis with some mother cane on the back. Here is another one. I can cut it off. The same condition, you can see roots are 3 to 4 inch, so I can cut it. And one advantage is one old keiki attached with this new baby, so I can cut it off. This old cane will supply energy for the baby plant. And I want to show you another thing, that is I will not cut this baby, because as the general rule not matching with this situation or this cane. So you can see the roots are 1 inch or something little more, and keiki is not mature, so I will not cut this keiki. Okay, And this one is in same condition. You can see the plant is little bigger, its roots are too little, so I don't cut off it. I got 5 to 6 keikis from one of my mother plant of Dendrobium moscatum. So now I am going to mount all the plants on a wall. Okay, these are some hybrid Dendrobium. You can see I mounted this plant about 6 or 7 months back on a tree trunk, and these plants are well attached. You can see the roots are well attached on this tree trunk, and you may know that these are epiphytes. They don't take any nutrition from the host plant, just they anchored on the host plant. You know that you can mount any plants which are epiphytes like hybrid Dendrobium, Cattleyas, species Dendrobiums, anything which are epiphytes. This is one of hybrid Dendrobium. I just put it on this. It is a old cane, and you can see the growth growing very nicely. It is growing from a old cane. Just see and see the growths. And I don't use any fertilizer, as I told you that this is my village home, and I am growing here naturally all the orchids here, so I don't use any fertilizer or any fungicide or anything else. And one more thing, that after cutting any keikis or any part of any plant, so after cutting you must use any fungicide, so that can there may be chance of any fungal or bacterial infection, so you should prevent it. So I am using fungicide like this. Just use on the top of the cutting end like this. That fungicide can prevent the fungus or any bacterial infection. Use fungicide on this cutting end also. This is the baby plant. I just cut off this plant, and you should use here also. This is one of other cutting end. You should use fungicide. After that I can mount it. For mounting I am using this hard nail and hammer and cotton thread. I want to mount on this wall those keikis, and for wall mounting this is the ideal thing, and little moist, so I can, and this is the starting of monsoon, so I can mount on it. So let's start. At first I will put the nail on the wall. it's completed, and I don't use any moss or anything else as media. So I hope there is full of algae, you can see here, green colored. So I hope they will supply humidities or some moisture for this baby plant. Hope this plant will grow well. I will show you after 3 or 4 months back. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.